So the weather service has been telling us that it's going to snow today for several days, and it looks like it's just getting here. Headed in town and go get the kids. They didn't have school today, but took them into daycare so they can interact with some other people besides me for the weekend. And yeah, so go get them and see how good the roads are on the way back. Hopefully this isn't a big deal, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be kind of a big deal. According to the pickup, it's 34 degrees, which makes this precipitation that's falling not snow. So that's going to cut into the total. I am 100% good with that. I am prepared. I got the blade. I don't have it on the pickup, but I got it out, got it ready. I have the snowblower on the tractor, the loader on the other end of the tractor, and the backhoe's all ready. It's all got winter fuel in it. So if I need to move a lot of snow, I can move a lot of snow. Let's just hope we don't have to move a lot of snow. The bad part about it being this warm is it's falling as rain right now, and when the temperature does fall, it's gonna all ice up. That's gonna suck. Maybe it won't, probably it will. All right, so I got everything hooked up on the plow. I got a bunch of new rock this winter in the yard, so I need to actually lower my pads down so my plow isn't this far off the ground, maybe more like that far off the ground. Hopefully I move a lot less rock in the process. Jeepers creepers, there's a bunch of these. Just that easy. Okay, so I got it moved up, and it ends up being a full inch higher, right at 1 inch. Most of the rock I'm trying to save is about an inch, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches or so. So that should be definitely better. I don't know if it'll be good enough or not. Reed, what do you think?
Good!
All right, Reed says it's good. So it is snowing now. It had been just raining. It just turned to snow about half hour, 45 minutes ago. And the snow is the really wet snow. So we'll just see how this turns out. I think we missed a lot of the snow because it rained instead. Well, it definitely snowed. As you can see, there's snow all over. Got inches and inches, probably a good 6 inches. It's hard to tell on camera, but there's a lot of drifts. Some of them over there by the garage, in the main part of the driveway where I always drive. That's at least 3 feet deep. So I'm gonna come out and make a couple paths with the pickup, and I'm probably gonna come back and like that between the crib and the barn. That takes a lot of beating on the pickup if I push it all with the pickup. So I think I'm just gonna go get the snowblower and see what I can do with that after I make a few paths with the pickup, and at least make it so if I have an emergency, we can all get out. There's the rig, the 06 F350 with the dreaded 6-liter diesel and a big ass Boss V-plow. 9'2" if I remember. 9'2". Plowing snow in the pickup, and it seems to be working better than I thought. I'm going to keep working at this for a while instead of firing up the tractor right away. But I was thinking about running the tractor and the backhoe, and while I was doing that, I hit the turn signal thinking that was the left-hand reverser, and it doesn't make the pickup go backwards. So anyway, if you've ever done that, let me know. It's always kind of funny when you jump in something different when you're thinking about running a different machine. Reed, what are you doing?
Getting this ready for the snowball fights.
All right. Are you planning on lots of snowball fights?
Before I go to Florida, yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta get my snowball fights in before I leave for Florida.
All righty. Well, I'll get back to moving snow. Are you going to scoop the sidewalk, or do you want me to do it?
Later.
Later? All right. Got the snow all moved, got the pickup back in the shop, gonna let her warm up and get all the snow dripped off there and cooled back down. So it actually moved a lot better than I thought it would. I was afraid to be a lot heavier since it was raining to start with, but it turned out pretty good. So I don't know. Hope you guys all had a good day and had some fun. I might go sledding this afternoon. If you don't mind, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe and give it a like, and you know, make sure you comment about how I did that wrong, went in the wrong pattern, all that fun stuff. So we'll see ya.